Hello students, I am Mary here. Welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from 9th class, chapter 2 polynomials, exercise 2.4, question 5, factorize. So we are going to do that fourth part of it. Already I have done the three part of it. So if you go through it, you will understand. So what we do here, we have to find the factors for this polynomial. Since cubic polynomial, there are three factors will be there. So first factor we find out by trial method. By trial method. How do we do that? That is, we take the constant. So we have constant here 1. So for 1, what are the factors? It could be 1 only. There are no other factors. Now to find out whether it could be plus 1 or it could be minus 1, that we have to do by trial method. So let's consider, since the variables are given here y, so we will take as y plus 1, because till now we were taking x plus 1. Here the variable y, so we write as y plus 1. So we consider whether y plus 1 is a factor of this or not. So if this is the factor, then y value should give this polynomial 0. Then only we will consider this is as a factor. So let's try find out the y value by remainder method. So first let's write down y value. Y plus 1 equal to 0. Then y equal to minus 1. So by remainder theorem, we will put the value of y wherever y is there and then see if answer we are getting 0 or not. If we get 0, then we will say y plus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. So let's write down p of y equal to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So now wherever y is there, we have to write minus 1. So let's write down minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 minus 1 minus 1. So wherever y is there, we have put minus 1. So now I have already taught you, when 3 times minus 1 means we will get minus 1 only. Then plus. Now this will be 2 times. So minus into minus will become plus 1. So we will write down 1. Down. Minus into minus will give us plus. So 2 into 1, 2. Then this minus 1 here. So now 2 into minus 1 will give us minus 2. Then plus 1, plus 2 and minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. Plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled. So we get 0. Since y plus 1 has given us 0, that means y plus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. So already we have got one factor. Now remaining two factors. How to find out? First, now we have to do the long division. So we divide this polynomial with this linear polynomial. So let's do now long division. Write down the polynomial, that is 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. And what is the factor? That is y plus 1. So let's do the long division now. We'll take the first term, that is 2y cube divided by y. So y gets cancelled. We will have 2y square. So that we will write down on the quotient. Now we multiply y into 2y square, we will get 2y cube. Then plus is here plus 1 into 2y square, will get 2y square. Now change the sign. So this will get cancelled. Then minus 2y square and plus 1y square. So we will get 1y square minus, because the bigger number sign is minus. Now this minus 2y will come down, minus 1 also will come down. Let's take now first term here, minus y square. Then divide by this y. So y will get cancelled. We will have minus y. So this minus y will come here. Now you multiply y. Here we have plus into minus will become minus. Y into y, we will get y square. Plus into minus, minus. 1 into y will get y. So change the sign, this will become plus, this also will become plus. So now this gets cancelled. From minus 2y, 1 plus y goes means then we will have 1y. Then minus y. So now this minus y we will take and then divide by this y. So get cancel, we will have minus 1. So this we will write down here. So now multiply y plus into minus will become minus y into 1 y plus into minus minus 1 into 1 1. So now change the sign. So now this gets cancelled, then we will have 0. So now let's write down this quadratic polynomial, and I have taught you quadratic polynomial. Now how to find out the factors. This is another method in question 4 I have taught you. So kindly go through that. So here we will take the first coefficient of the first term and then the last term number we will take 2 into 1. 2. Now factors for 2, what are the factors? 1 into 2 is factors of 2. Now we don't have any other number, therefore we will take only this pair, 1 into 2. Now what if we write, we will get the middle term. So let's write down now 2y square. Now middle term is minus y. How to get minus y? From 2y, if we are minusing 1y, then we will get 1y, but then we have here minus. That means we should have greater number minus, smaller number plus. Then we will get here minus y. So therefore we will write down this here instead of minus y. So we will write down minus 2y, then plus 1y will give us minus y. So this middle term we have written like this. Now remaining one write down as it is. So now 2y square we have, minus 2y we have, plus y and minus 1. Now we have to take out something common from here. So between these two, let's take out something common. So y is common here. So let's take out y outside. So then now inside what we will have? We will have 2y because 1y is taken out. So we have 2y. Then minus 1y we have taken out. So what we will have here? Y is out. So what we will have here? We will have 1 we will have. Just little correction here. See here common is 2y, here also 2y. So we will take it out 2y as common because I didn't notice, only y I noticed there are 2y. Here also 2y is there, here also 2y is there. So let's take out common 2y. Then inside what we will have? We will have only y we will have because 2y we have taken out. So only 1y we will have. And here we will have only 2y we have taken out. So only 1 we will have. So now you just multiply and see whether we are getting the same thing or not. 2y into y, 2y square minus 2y into 1 will get 2y since minus 1. So 2y into minus 1 minus 2y. So now it is correct. Now what is left here minus, sorry, here we have y minus 1. So let's write down the same thing, y minus 1. So now if we write down what? If we write down here, we will get the same thing in this pair. So what we will get? If we are writing 1, then 1 into y will get y. Then 1 into minus 1 will give us minus 1. So that means this is correct. So now we have common y minus 1. We have common one factor. Then we have here 2y. So this is plus 1, no? Because 1 into y. So this is a plus 1. So then 2y we have and plus 1 here. Now already we had a factor here. One more factor we had found out. Y plus 1. So we add that also. So we have y plus 1 also. So these are the factors of this polynomial. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.